sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the settlement, $7 million to charity, and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question. Please,
what was
try
your
to
question?
answer my question.
Elaine Bredehoft made a claim in court that Heard has not made the full $7 million pledge to the ACLU because she has had to pay $6 million in legal fees. However, she might have exaggerated it a little. Elaine is now being scrutinized for possible perjury, as it's been revealed that Amber did not actually pay the legal fees herself. So who paid the legal fees then? Why did Elaine use it as a talking point in court in the first place? Keep watching to find out. Heard's attorney stated that the actress intends to honor her pledge to the ACLU and Children's Hospital Los Angeles. However, during closing arguments, Bredehoft stated that she was unable to pay the full $7 million because of extraordinarily high legal fees since Depp's lawsuit. However, it has now been revealed that Amber's entire legal fees was funded by insurance. Pamela Johnson, an agent from Heard's insurance company, has been revealed as her insurer. You might even have spotted her in court sitting next to Whitney. This means that Elaine had lied about the reason why Amber could not pay her donations. On the other hand, Heard has claimed several times, including under oath in Depp's 2020 libel case in the UK, that she donated the entire settlement to charity. While being questioned by Camille Vasquez, she finally admitted on the stand that she did not pay the money she had pledged. Let us look at the reason why Elaine brought up the $6 million donation in a little more detail. Bredehoft claimed that the Aquaman actress was unable to make the full $7 million donation she had pledged to the ACLU and a children's hospital following the divorce settlement due to legal fees. Heard had paid extraordinarily high legal fees since Depp sued her and started a smear campaign against her, according to Bredehoft. For the uninitiated, a former friend of Heard's sister, Whitney Enriquez, testified earlier this week that Heard did not pay the $3.5 million pledged to the Children's Hospital. Witness Jennifer Howell confirmed in a pre-recorded deposition that Tesla founder Elon Musk made a $250,000 donation to the charity Art of Elysium on Heard's behalf. However, the Children's Hospital Los Angeles has yet to receive the pledged $3.5 million. You have yet to donate your $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that correct? Vasquez addressed Heard during her cross-examination. Incorrect, Heard responded. I pledged the entire— No way, Miss Heard. That isn't my question. Vasquez interrupted Heard. She went on to say that she meant donate rather than pledge. I use the term pledge and donation interchangeably. They both mean the same thing, Heard explained. The argument heated up from that point on, but both women remained firm in their stance. That's how contributions are made, Heard explained to Vasquez and the jury. Respectfully, Ms. Heard, that is not my question, Vasquez went on. So as of today, you haven't paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, correct? I haven't been able to meet those obligations yet, Heard admitted. It is clear that Amber has neither paid the $6 million in legal fees nor the $7 million donation that she pledged. This is a clear example of perjury. Viewers of the trial have had quite the handful to say about the lie Elaine made and the free insurance that Amber got. One user stated that this is why Heard has insurance. Others stated that, so here's what I'm thinking. Yet again, the spoiled narcissist gets tons more money for free and is essentially bailed out of her situation. I've read a lot about JD possibly refusing the settlement or forcing it to happen. God knows he has a big heart and a big soul. But seriously, she needs to be held accountable from beginning to end. What she did was one of the lowest of lows, and it was in the public eye for all to see. She cannot get away with this. Yes, JD has shown the world who and what AH truly is. A plain old shit ass. But she has been on this trip for years. She is still not done with him. She has done DV before. It appears to me that her time of punishment is approaching. There has to be a conclusion somewhere. Another user stated that, I'm just surprised. Maybe that's not the right word, but I'm surprised to see AH continue without simply telling the truth, without admitting she lied. I can't do that if I'm her, especially since there were so many lies exposed. Sorry to say, but she is a bad person. She probably feels better after admitting everything and asking forgiveness. Yet another person says, most insurance policies state that if the client is found to be guilty of defamation, no payment will be made. This is because a finding of defamation requires that the client acted deliberately and with malice. Are you saying that this insurance company does not have such a clause and instead pays out for intentional and malicious behavior? Do you think Amber and her attorneys will be investigated for perjury? Let us know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more updates on all things pop culture.